Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making these adorable little gift card boxes. So they're a little bit more dimensional. They're not flat like the other ones I usually make. I actually found this tutorial on Diane's Cards and she has the cutest little blog and I just wanted to create it in my own way. So I'm using her measurements and I am so thankful that she did this for me. So anyway, you're going to need your scoreboard and literally one sheet of paper, some really delicate scissors that can help you cut easy, and some glue. So you're going to start off with a paper that's 6.25 inches by 4 inches. And this is probably going to be my easiest tutorial yet. So you're going to line your paper lengthwise, going sideways. So the longer side, we're going to start on that. Actually, I'm sorry. We're going to start, I didn't turn that right, lengthwise, which is correct, and going this way. So you're going to score. I wish this was a little closer so you guys could see, but it's going to be at 1/4 inch. So 1/4 inch on the edge. And you're going to flip it over and you're going to do the other edge, which is going to be 1/4 inch as well. Okay, so now that you have your two sides scored right here and here, we're going to turn it this way. Okay, and we're going to score at 1.5 inches, so 1.5 inches. And then we're going to score at 1 3/4. And now we're going to move along down to 4 inches. So you're going to score 4 inches and 4.25 inches, so 4 1/4. And that is literally all the scoring we're going to be doing. So here comes the magic of this simple, cute gift card. Okay, so before we score this, I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to, okay, so this is going to be the top, the shortest end. What we're going to do is we're going to snip all the way even, okay, so we're going to snip the top, and we're also going to snip this right here. So we're going to snip up to the line where you scored. So I'm going to try and make this, oh, my nails. I didn't do my nails for this video. Sorry, guys. So I'm going to cut it up to that line there and just snip it so you can see I cut here and here for the top. We're going to do the other side, the same exact thing. Okay, so it should look like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut these little boxes out right here. So it's your second, row of scores. Just to clarify, I know sometimes it's really hard to see where people cut on the score line, so I'm trying to make it really close so you guys can see. It's kind of hard doing this on camera because it's on the side of me, it's not over me. Okay, so you see how I have that little bit? You want to definitely take that off because you will see that when you fold it. So make sure it's really clean when you cut it. So it's like that. It's not perfect because I can't really see when it's on the side, but I'm just going to cut this side now. This is the hardest part. This is it. I only try to give easy tutorials because I like easy tutorials. Okay, so that is going to be it. Now we're just going to construct this. So let's just go to all of our scores. I'm going to do the sides first, just so you can see. And then I'm going to do these scores and this score. And I should be using my little thing, but I'm not. Okay, so Now your lid, remember, it's going to be the shortest. So you're just going to take these, fold these in. So I'm going to put my lid at the top, fold these in. I'm going to glue these little tabs in the middle. And I'm just going to stick them up like this. And just fold it on there. And ta-da! That's it. Now, you may or may not like this part sticking out. So on my boxes, I did kind of snip these. So I'm just going to snip mine. You don't have to. If you like it, leave it. If not, take it off. So then when you close it, it's kind of just like that. It looks just cleaner. And then I am going to, Diane had mentioned she cropped her top. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to make it clean and make it look like it's an actual gift box. And that is how I made my box. I'm just going to decorate it for you guys, for those who like, you know, kind of the finishing touches. So I just added a die. Any die, doesn't matter. You can add it just on the lid. What I'm doing is just kind of adding like a chunkier one on the front, just to go like that. So when they open it, it can go like this. And I love to always use, and I know I use this in most of my videos lately, is my favorite elastic, gold elastic. It just makes everything look so much nicer. So I'm going to use that again, just like I used on my Instagram. I'm just going to add this little star here and loop it through. Just any little tag just adds such a cute pop to everything, I feel like. So, okay, let me just tear this. I actually have somewhere to be, but I was going to post this. And I know I'm going to have questions of how I did it, so I'm trying to make this real quick. So you guys can have it, and it's just in time for the holiday. I found this online and I thought it was adorable. And I mean, it's good to repeat tutorials because other people may not find them. So it's nice to just, and you can do it your own twist and switch it up. Like I believe her purpose was just using stamps. Oops. And I also don't normally use tape glue, which I feel like is not as stable as double-sided tape, but I did it for this tutorial. So if you have a great glue, use it. But anyway, that is all I did for my little gift card holder. It's super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching again, as always.